And today we're making banana cake in a cup.
Yeah.
It's very easy, you know. Just put it in the microwave. So today it's again a banana special. So there's my banana there. What are you having, Alithia?
Banana.
We put some bananas in the cup. Okay, go ahead. There you go.
Enough?
Some here? Yes.
Enough? No.
A little bit more. Yep. Now here. Slowly, it's okay, take your time.
Okay.
Okay. And a little bit here.
Here.
Okay. Let's finish this up.
Can I eat it? Can I please?
Yeah. Let mommy finish it up, then you can eat the rest, okay?
No, I want to.
Yeah, you can have that. Okay, now what you do is mash the banana. Yeah, there's another fork for you there.
I think I want to do this one. Go back my finger, okay?
Slowly, okay?
It's high.
Make sure the cup that you're using is microwavable. Okay, so mash it up. But I forgot to mention, this is a different setting. This is my mom's house in Johor Bahru. Whose house is this, Athena? Is this your kampung?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
This is my kampung. Okay, can you help? Do you manage?
I'm sure. Wait, I can do it.
So if you have friends coming over and you do not have dessert to serve, this is the perfect dessert because it's very easy. It doesn't take long. Come, let me help you. Good job. Look at that. It's all mashed up.
I'm licking.
Oh, you're licking. Okay.
Can I mash?
Wait.
You mashed all of it?
Yes. Okay. Move aside, please. Can you move, please? Okay. No. 2 tablespoons of milk. One. Athena, will you let mommy do this, please?
Why don't we just pour it in the cup?
No. You need to know how much to put.
So put it in the spoon.
There you go. There you go. It's done.
I started.
Then you need a pinch of salt.
I'm gonna pinch it.
There you go. Okay, this is vanilla.
Can I put the
Extra.
food coloring?
It's not food colour. Never mind, let me put it. You can put the cinnamon powder, okay? Just a little bit.
I'm not gonna smell the cinnamon powder.
Why not?
It's so smelly. It's yucky smell.
Oh. It gives a nice taste to the banana cake.
It looks like
Okay,
food
that's it.
coloring.
Now,
Can you put?
no, this is baking soda.
I don't know.
Very dangerous, huh?
Is
Okay,
it?
you only need a 1/4 teaspoon. Okay,
Why is
so that's about it.
baking soda dangerous?
It's not dangerous.
Why? What did you say
There
then?
you go.
What did you say then?
I didn't say it's dangerous.
What is it then?
Yes, you did.
You did?
Yeah.
The baking soda is dangerous. No, it's not.
You said that. Can I put that?
No,
What is it?
this is cinnamon powder.
Ooh, cinnamon.
Careful. Look. Oh no, I mean this is dangerous. That's what I meant.
Oh.
Parah. Oh, there you go.
Can I put?
Again, a 1/4. No lah, Tina.
It looks like chocolate.
Yep. Here. There you go.
It smells cinnamon.
And then you need
Can I put?
sugar.
Can I put sugar? Okay, thank you, mommy.
Slowly. Wait. Tina, put it properly, okay? No. Okay, enough. Slowly. Right. Put all. Good job. This one here. A little bit more. Okay.
Here.
No. This one. Alright. Done. Put it down. Okay. Now, flour. You need 5 tablespoons of flour.
2, 3, 4.
No lah, maybe 3 because it needs room to. 4. Alithia, sit down. Alithia, sit down. Sit down, Alithia. She doesn't want to sit down. You stand here. So that's 4, okay? Let's try 4.
No!
Because it depends on your cup. Because if your cup's shallow, then it wouldn't have space to expand. 3 and 4. Uh-oh! Alicia's head. Alicia's head has flour.
Oh! Don't let me get it.
3
Get up.
and
Get up.
4.
Let me get up.
Careful.
Get up.
Leave her alone, Athena. Leave her alone. It's okay. Now, in case you're wondering whether it's steak, what you need now is vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in each cup. And you're done. There goes Alithia out of the room. Okay, now you can help me stir it slowly, okay? Stir it up. There's a fork you're holding, Athena. Alright. Once you stir it, look, it becomes gooey like this, look. See? It becomes gooey. Like that. Okay. There you go. And then 2 more cups.
Can I
Wife.
do the other one?
Yes, you can, Athena. Can you finish that one first?
Can you eat flour when it's not cooked yet?
You get stomachache. Okay. And the final one. Hi, Alithia, you're back. Athena, don't play, please. Don't play, please. Thank you.
Wash my hands.
Can you wait? Now what you do is, now that everything is well mixed together. What is it, Alithia? Okay, now microwave. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute first. Actually, it varies. Depends on your microwave and also depends on how big your cup is. So go for 1 minute and open up the microwave and check whether it's all cooked. If it's not, put it again for another minute. Okay? Let's do 1 cup at a time.
Oh, that's going to be very easy.
1 minute. We wait.
Can I wash my hands now?
Okay, it has been actually 2 minutes. I tried with 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, it was a bit soggy. So I put it another minute. So let's check it out. Okay, Athena? Ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm going to put another one in. The straight put for 2 minutes. I see.
Eat with grandma.
Look at that.
Let's eat
It's actually
with
cooked. Hot. Nice, right? Yeah, you see? You can see bananas. If you don't mash it, I mean, you have extra bananas at home. You can put extra, like usually, the recipe is actually 1/4 banana to each cup. So you have more bananas, you can always put more. And my mom was telling me what you can do is after that, you can mash more bananas and put on top of it. Right, Athena? Right, Athena, where are you going? So, are you going to try this again? Come here, come here. You try this again? You want some more? Yeah, okay. So there you see, it's so easy, you can just take it and go away. Bye, have fun.